Hello and welcome to the Lex-Praxis channel. In today's video, we'll be walking you through how to legally start a travel agency business in Nigeria. If you're a Nigerian entrepreneur or a foreign investor, or you're just looking to start a side hustle in the travel and tourism space, then this video is for you. Now, before we get down to the nitty-gritty of the subject matter, let's define what a travel agency does or what it's all about. So a travel agency companies are basically in charge of facilitating tourism, trips, vacations, and travels. They offer services such as local air travels, international air travels, hotel bookings and reservations, also facilitating religious pilgrimages and the likes. So if you are looking to offer services within this space through your company, then you are most likely trying to launch a travel agency company in Nigeria. Now let's get down to the requirements for legally launching and operating your travel agency company in Nigeria. The first step is to have your company registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission. Of course, no business can lawfully operate in Nigeria without having their companies registered. That is why company registration is very important. Now, some of the requirements for launching or registering or having your company formed with the Corporate Affairs Commission includes proposed name of the agency company, personal information of members of the company, and by members I'm referring to directors and shareholders. Now, examples of the personal information that you're required to provide includes the full names of the members of the company, date of birth, occupation, residential address, email, phone numbers, and the likes. That's just what is required. Now, the third requirement is the minimum share capital or authorized share capital of the company. Now, it's important to state that the travel agency company or sector is a regulated space, and the minimum authorized share capital for registering a travel agency company in Nigeria is currently 30 million naira. Now, does this mean that to launch your company, you need to have 30 million naira in your bank account? The answer to that is no. It's authorized share capital. What that means is that the company is authorized to raise at least 30 million naira if it decides to raise funds from its members. So the minimum amount of money that the company can raise amongst its members is 30 million naira. Now, for the registration process, what that means in terms of cost is that the company will be assessed to pay the required filing fees and stamp duties based on the 30 million naira or the 30 million naira worth of shares as stated in the company incorporation document. Now, if you're a foreign investor, that means you are not a Nigerian national and you are looking to start a travel agency company in Nigeria. Apart from the 30 million minimum share capital requirement, because you're a foreigner and for reasons of operating or possessing an expatriate quota, which every foreign-owned company is required to have for doing business in Nigeria, the minimum share capital for setting up your travel agency or travel agency company in Nigeria will be 100 million naira. Like I said, it doesn't mean that you need to have 100 million naira in your bank account. What that simply means is that you'll be assessed in terms of cost, you'll be assessed based on the 100 million naira that is stated in your company incorporation documents, right? So this will enable you to not only be qualified for whatever licenses and permits and registrations that your company would need to process after incorporation, but it will also enable you to be able to easily process the company's expatriate quota with ease. We talked about expatriate quota somewhere in this channel. Feel free to check it out on our page, and I'm sure you will have proper idea about how to form your company in Nigeria as a foreigner. Right? Now, the next requirement is valid means of identification of directors and shareholders. Now, for Nigerian nationals, a driver's license, a passport, that is what you refer to as international passport, permanent voter's card, or national ID card will suffice as a means of identification. And if you're a foreigner, any legally recognized means of identification in your country as a foreigner will suffice for forming your travel agency company here in Nigeria. And finally, you also need the signature or digital signatures of directors and shareholders of the company or the proposed company. Now, the next step to legally launching your travel agency company in Nigeria is to obtain the necessary licenses and process the required registrations. Now, one of the registrations you need to have is to be registered with the National Association of Nigeria Travel Agencies. Your company has to be a member of that association. Now, in Nigeria, this association is located in various states. In Nigeria, we have 36 states. So depending on the proposed location of your travel agency, you need to look out for this organization and ensure that your travel agency company is registered with them. It is the possession of this travel it is registering, or it is the proof of registration of your company with NANTA that will also qualify you to process the other license, which I'll be explaining shortly, which is the license with the Nigeria Civil Aviation Authority. Now, in Nigeria, the Nigeria Civil Aviation Authority is the government body that is responsible for issuing licenses and permits, and also regulating the affairs of companies, businesses, and entities operating within the aviation space in Nigeria. Now, in order to process the license as a travel agency company with the NCAA, that's the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority, you must submit an application that is supposed to, it should not be less than 6 months to the expected date of using the license. So you don't wait until when you're about to use the license before you start applying. You must process it at least way ahead of your launch of the travel agency company in Nigeria. Also, you need to take note of this. Your company must have at least two staffs of that travel agency who are IATA certified. What is IATA? They are certified with the International Air Transport Association, right, to be licensed by the NCAA. So you need to ensure that at least two of your staffs have done the required training with IATA and have been issued a certificate. This is what you will also be required to present alongside other documents when applying for license with the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority. So what are the requirements for obtaining the required license with the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority? First of all, you need to have an application for the grant of the license, and the application should contain the following information: types of travel and tour, the principal catchment areas, principal destinations, flight arrangements, right? And now with this application, it should also be accompanied by the following supporting documents, which is 4 copies of certified true copies of certificate of incorporation of the company, 4 copies of certified true copies of the memorandum and articles of association, also particulars of directors of the company, and statements of share capital or return of allotment with minimum paid up share capital of 5 million naira. Now, I had earlier talked about the authorized share capital for setting a travel agency company in Nigeria, which is 30 million naira for Nigerians and 100 million for foreign entities. Now, there's a difference between an authorized share capital, authorized minimum share capital, and paid up. For authorized, like I said earlier, that is the minimum amount of shares or amount of money that a company can raise from its members. It doesn't have to be raised at the time of forming the company. It can be raised even after the company is formed. But for paid up share capital, it means that the money has already been raised. So that is one of the requirements. You have to submit proof that there is a minimum paid up capital of at least 5 million naira. Now, the next accompanying document is 4 copies of tax current tax clearance certificate of the company and each of the directors. Of course, the originals will have to be presented for citing during the application process. You also need to provide performance bond of 7.5 billion naira from a bank or insurance company. The bond should cover 2-year validity period of the license, of when the license will be issued. Of course, the validity period of the license for travel agency company issued by the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority is 2 years. So the performance bond has to be valid for that same 2 years period. Also, you need to provide an audited statement of accounts for the last 3 years for an existing company, or a certified opening balance sheet in the last, in case of a new business. Also, publication of notice of the application in 2 national dailies. The publication will contain information on the application submitted to the authority for the grant of license. And finally, you also have to present receipt of the payment of non-refundable processing fee to the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority. So there you have it, the legal procedures and requirements for legally launching a travel agency company in Nigeria. In summary, the first step is to have your company incorporated with the Corporate Affairs Commission. The second step is to get the necessary registrations and licenses, registrations with the Nigerian Association or National Association of Nigeria Travel Agencies, and also the license with the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority. Now, I hope you got value from this video, and I hope with this video you now have a clear picture of what legally launching a travel agency company in Nigeria entails. And so if you have questions that you need clarity on, feel free to leave them in the comment section. And if you would like to speak with a legal consultant, you'd like to book a paid consulting session with a legal consultant to explore your options and strategies peculiar to your vision for launching a travel agency company in Nigeria, feel free to reach out to us through the contact information on the screen. Or if you also need legal professional services with launching your travel agency company in Nigeria, you might also contact us through the contact information that will be displayed on this screen, and we will be delighted to attend to you. Until I come your way again, do have a wonderful day.